Paul here. I am going to give you a quick training video on how to change your channel name. Whether you're a personal account or a brand account, I'll show you both ways. Obviously, there's different reasons you want to change your account. This is not a video on why or how you should change it. I have got a video where I share my thoughts on whether you should be a personal account or a brand account name. My thoughts on it. I give some examples from a golfing analogy with all the top golf YouTubers and show the stats on that. So that video I'll share in a link. But for you, you're going to change your channel name, either personal, which I'll do first, and then the brand version next. So look at the timestamp. If you want to jump to the brand, it'll be the next lesson. So let's go ahead and change the personal account. I'll change my personal account. So I've obviously got a few up in the corner, top right hand corner. I've obviously got a few accounts, but my personal account that I have no subscribers that I don't use. If people have just signed up as YouTube, this is probably your account. You may want to change to a brand account instead of changing the name, because it is your personal. It will be connected to your Gmail. But you want to go to here, YouTube Studio, and then over to settings down in the bottom left, channel. And here you can see here, name. To edit your channel name, visit your Google account. Right, so you go to here and you can change your name. So it's going to ask for your password. Try not to say it out loud, Paul, as I've done in many videos before. So I'm going to change to Pauline. Takes me back to school. And that's as easy as you need to change your name. When you go back here, it may take a while for either your browser or for the name to change. But up in the corner here, now you see your channel name is Pauline. Right, so it's really easy. So let's go back again. Let me change it back. Go to settings. Go here to channel. Go to edit your Google account. Little pencil. Password in again. And change it back. There you go. Go back to your account, close this, refresh your page, and it has changed. So that is how to change a personal account. So let me flip to a brand account. A lot of people will have brand accounts instead of personal. So obviously the video you're watching this on is Paul Nicholson. I'm going to leave that for now. It may become Paul Nicholson Training. And what I'm going to change is this one, Paul Nicholson Lessons. So this is where I keep all my lessons, but it's a slowly dying. Used to make about £300 a month. It's slowly dying. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to change up on this channel. I'm going to do it into a more challenge channel where I'm going to go out and have a bit of fun and share the videos on this channel. So what I've decided to call it, when you go to your brand channel, so switch onto your account, go to YouTube Studio. Sorry, so if you go here, go to select your account. You don't care what I'm changing mine. Go to YouTube Studio up here if it shows up. I'm already on it, so it won't. So sorry. Let me go to where you would be. So you're on your YouTube. I'm shouting. And go here, YouTube Studio. Again to settings, like you did before. But this time it's a bit funky. So if you change the channel and go to Google account, it's going to change your main account. You don't want to change your main account. You want to change the brand name. So what you have to do on this version is go here. In fact, it's a good time to turn this off. Get rid of these tags that are going to change. Go to advanced settings, right? Go down to the bottom and go advanced channel settings here. This will jump you to the back end area of your account. And here it says account information, Paul Nicholson, lessons change, right? So I'm going to change this. Edit, your channel name is linked to the brand account. Change may take a few minutes. So sometimes with a brand, it takes a while to go through the system. And I'm going to change it to, again, it wants the password. I'm going to change this. So it's going to be like a challenge channel. It's going to be me taking on various people, taking on the internet, looking at things online. So I'm going to call it Paul versus the world. And it may change. The beauty of it, you can change it whenever you want. I'm not sure that exclamation mark will be all right. Oh yeah, it is. So I've now changed my channel to Paul versus the world. So my second channel, it may, like it says, it'll take a while to come through. All right, it's already done. And then if I save this, because I changed them tags. So there, look, Paul versus the world. So now when I go off and I watch something, if I go and watch a video on something, there we go, on my other channel, Paul Nicholson, this is my main channel, what you're watching this on, and now, yo, yo, I don't ever say yo. It's amazing the words you use on the internet, in it, rather than the world. So when I change, so now when I comment, Paul Nicholson versus the world commented on your account, right? So if I go back to my main account now and click here, I'm possibly going. Yeah, here's the notification. It might take a while for the notification to come through. Actually, yeah, it didn't actually show a notification because it probably knows it's me. But if I go to comments here, you're going to see my latest comment that I haven't replied to is Paul Nicholson versus the world. Yo, this is cool. So that is how to change your account name, to change your sort of YouTube channel name, whether it's personal or brand. Any questions on YouTube? I'll do these quick videos. I've got on my website a YouTube training, free training, where I put all these lessons together. And on the Paul versus the World channel, I will do some YouTube MOTs where I'll take a look live at some people's YouTube channels, and if I can offer you any IT tech advice or content advice, I will give it. So drop in the free training, drop any comments on this video, and if I can help, I will do. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. If you've enjoyed this, a subscribe would be amazing. Cheers.